Work is ramping up to fully reopen one of the tri-state's most crucial transportation lifelines. Today, emergency installation of the 7 steel girders began at the Big Mac Bridge, a move considered to be the first major step in a rebuild more than 2 months after a suspected arson. And that is where we begin this evening at 6 o'clock. I'm Tanya O'Rourke, live at the Big Mac Bridge on what has been an important day of progress, incredible progress for our area. In fact, I want you to take a look at what's going on behind me. You can hear the tapping of hammers. There are 3 girders in place. You see a group of men on a crane in that first girder. Every once in a while, you'll see sparks coming off. Behind it, the 3rd girder was just put in place just moments ago. You'll see sparks coming off of some of their welding tools. And for the past 2 months, the WCPO 9 News team has consistently checked with the city and ODOT leaders to make sure that you have the most updated information on the possible solutions to this major traffic headache. And so with more than 100,000 vehicles crossing that bridge every day, the impact of the southbound lane closures is truly hard to overstate. Traffic has become a nightmare for drivers, seeing an extra 20 to 30 minutes tacked onto their daily commutes, sometimes longer. And while the city has struggled to come up with solutions to the temporary gridlock, and across the river, the bridge has partially been blamed for shuttering businesses at Newport on the levee. I want to bring in WCPO 9 News reporter Andrew Rowan. Andrew's been tracking the project since the day of that fire. And Andrew, from a technical standpoint, this is a huge milestone.
Without these girders, Tanya, there is no bridge. And apart from the weather, getting these giant pieces of steel here was really one of the biggest pieces of the puzzle. Now that they are here, crews are going to be working 24/7 as construction officially gets underway. Rising from the southbound lanes,
the steel work is priority 1.
Is a 60-foot, 22,000-pound piece of progress.
This is the first major milestone in the rebuild.
A steel girder soaring above I-471 South and sliding into place.
A new product is going to fit inside something that's nearly 50 years old, and so they're fastening those 2 sections together, the old with the new.
That new 3 steel girders. Installation on the remaining 4 takes place Tuesday and Wednesday. Delivery drivers will back the beams up to the highway's gaping hole, where a crane will do the install.
Obviously, this isn't something we typically do in the winter months, but you can do some of the steel work in these cold temperatures.
This steel lays the foundation for a new phase in construction, 24/7 ironwork.
We've got to do more fastening. We've got plates to be installed. After that, the rebar comes in, and we have to build a form that then we can do the deck pours.
Progress on the Big Mac measured by pieces.
Tuesday they'll have 2 more, and then Wednesday will be the final 2.
And for drivers, the passage of time. Still on schedule for March?
Early March, we're still on schedule. And again, the weather is going to be either our friend or our foe in all of this. And if the weather cooperates, we should definitely have this open to traffic by early March.
All right, Andrew, ODOT continues to say mid-March on their timeline, but we know Ohio Governor Mike DeWine has said he wants it done faster.
That's right. The governor asked ODOT if they could push it up to mid-February. ODOT told us there's a chance they could reopen early, but the big factor here is going to be the weather. The next big checkpoint we're all going to be talking about is laying that concrete deck. It usually needs to be about 40 degrees for crews to do that. ODOT says they are already working on a workaround. Tanya?
All right, Andrew, thank you so much for that report. So these girders' arrival, a huge step forward for this project, as we've mentioned. And considering that we've been told that the bridge will fully reopen in March, I reached out to civil engineer and the host of his own YouTube channel on infrastructure projects, Casey Jones, about the importance of today.
So for the people sitting at home who will be watching this, is this a day to celebrate?
It's a day to say, okay, we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Definitely. It's a horrible situation to replace a critical section of bridge and reopen it to traffic if you don't have the parts to do it, right? It's like having a car in the shop and you're waiting on the mechanic to get a key component before he can start on it. So now he's got the part, so to speak, and he can start working on your vehicle. And based on what it normally takes to do that type of work, you can reasonably expect when things would be back to normal.
All right, so Jones says essentially what comes next after all 7 girders are in place is that they will create the form for the reinforced concrete to be poured. Jones says he's a little concerned as to why it took so long to order these girders, that the timeline could have been shorter had ODOT made those decisions faster. Meanwhile, getting you answers about the cause of this fire, well, that has also been a priority in our newsroom. 2 men are facing arson charges for the bridge fire. A competency hearing for Zachary Stumpf and Terry Stiles is set for February 24th. 2 other people, James Hamilton and Caitlin Hall, they face obstruction charges. They're accused of misleading investigators about Stiles and Stumpf. Their next hearing is set for January 22nd. And our coverage will continue as this process plays out. Follow Andrew Rowan on social media for updates, and you can also find details on WCPO.com and the free WCPO 9 News app. They're continuing this construction and placing of these girders into the night. I want to send it back into the studio right now. Craig?